What if I told you that 99% of people who try eBay dropshipping fail? Not because of the business model is broken, but because they keep making the same avoidable mistakes. So in this video, I'll break down the 7 biggest reasons people fail at eBay dropshipping, and most importantly, how you can avoid them. Number 1, setting wrong expectations. Most beginners come to eBay dropshipping thinking it's a get-rich-quick scheme. They expect to list a few items and instantly make thousands. When that doesn't happen in 2 weeks, they quit. The truth is, eBay dropshipping is a real business, not a lottery ticket. It takes consistency, research, and learning to be successful at eBay dropshipping. So it is important that you set realistic expectations from day one. Number 2, picking the wrong product to sell. Most people fail at eBay dropshipping because they pick the product that no one wants or product with crazy competition. These are the bad signs that you should look for when choosing a product to sell on eBay. 1, don't go for products over $100. Avoid electronics product or branded item. Avoid items that rarely sells on eBay. You want a better strategy? Sell boring, everyday products that solve people's problem. Focus on items under $50. Start thinking of drawer organizers, kitchen gadgets, and closet related products. Reason number 3, sellers pricing themselves out. If your item costs $20 on Amazon and you list it on eBay for $39.99, but others on eBay are listing the same item for $29.99, guess what? You're not going to get a sale. So before you list a product or item on eBay, do a competitive research on the same before you start pricing it. You can as well use filters to check on sold listings on eBay. You need to match the market and add $5 to $10 profit margin. Don't go beyond that. Our reason number 4 why people fail at eBay dropshipping is breaking eBay rules. Beginners have tendency of listing restricted items or using Amazon Prime to fulfill their orders, both of which violates eBay's dropshipping rule. You want to start dropshipping on eBay, right? It sounds easy until your account gets flagged or your store gets suspended for breaking a policy you didn't know even existed. Inventory goes out of stock, product prices changes, orders pile up, and suddenly you are buried into manual work. That's where Yaballe comes in. Yaballe is an API automation-first eBay dropshipping tools that helps you run your store smarter, faster, and with less risk. So whether you are just starting or scaling to thousands of sales per month, Yaballe is built to grow with you. Here is how Yaballe works. It has advanced monitoring, which allow you to list and manage hundreds, even thousands of products. Yaballe also helps you to stay compliant, competitive, and profitable with smart listing and dynamic repricing. Yaballe has a feature for manage account auto ordering, which means if you don't want to use your own account, Yaballe's got you. They fulfill orders with their own accounts, either based in the US, UK, or Germany. You will also be able to bulk list your product with just one click. It has real-time price and stock synchronization, automatic veroscan to avoid risky products. It has eBay promoted listing support to help you get more traffic. With Yaballe, you get a complete automation system that's non-API, so it doesn't raise red flags with eBay. Still not sure? Yaballe has over 10,000 eBay stores automated. It also has 3 million plus orders processed every year, and it has over 10 years experience helping sellers just like you start and scale their dropshipping business on eBay. So if you are ready to stop stressing and start scaling your dropshipping business, click the link below to get started with Yaballe today. There is an exclusive discount just for you. Use my coupon code SHIPPINGIT and let Yaballe do the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on growing your dropshipping business. Back to the video. If this happens, eBay can suspend or restrict your account, sell branded items without authorization, and lastly, upload fake tracking numbers. The solution to this is you need to use a reliable supplier and make sure you read eBay's sellers policies before listing your item on eBay platform. Reason number 5 why people fail at eBay dropshipping is poor customer service. Many sellers ignore buyers' messages. Some don't even respond at all or take days days to respond, or worse, cancel orders without explanation to the customers. Remember, eBay is built on trust and feedback. If you are late to ship or rude or unresponsive, eBay will throttle your account. Here is a tip. Try and answer all your messages within 24 hours. Upload valid tracking numbers to each order, and always issue refunds when needed, even if it adds short term. Reason number 6 is inconsistency. Success in eBay dropshipping doesn't come from listing 5 items and hoping for the best. It comes from daily action, which include listing 3 to 5 times a day, monitoring your metrics, tweaking your strategy weekly, and if you want a momentum, set a 30-day consistency challenge and no skipping a day. Reason number 7, no feedback or sales history. Most people give up on eBay dropshipping because their product don't sell, but they forgot the buyers hate new sellers with no sales history or feedback, or no review in that matter. So you need to start small and focus on delivering a great experience for your 5 to 10 customers, asking for feedback after each order, keeping prices low initially to build momentum. Now, when your account has 10 to 15 feedback, your listing will start to rank and your sales will start to snowball. Now that we've talked about the 7 reasons why people fail at eBay dropshipping, let me give you a few tips on how to avoid the 7 mentioned above. Treat eBay dropshipping like a business, not a side hustle. Use non-brandable products, everyday products under $50. Study your competition before you start pricing. Only use trusted, reliable suppliers for fast shipping. Answer all your buyers' messages immediately you see them. Build a habit, 30 days straight. Focus on getting your first 5 stars review. If you follow these, you are already ahead of 99% of beginners. Now you know why most people fail at eBay dropshipping, and more importantly, how to succeed. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for weekly dropshipping tips, and drop a comment saying no more mistake in 2025. See you in the next video, and go fix your listing. Adios.